Here is a wonderful 2022 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Indulge in the best life has to offer when you take the wheel of this richly appointed, highly capable Range Rover. Plush, hushed, and powerful, this breathtakingly modern, supremely luxurious off-roader transports you in every sense of the word. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, moonroof, heated rear seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, premium sound system. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.